Welcome to HAPLAST GROUP, a symbol of innovation, vision, and success in the global plastic packaging industry. My name is Anna, and today I am honored to introduce you to a proud journey. HAPLAST GROUP, one of the top 3 plastic packaging manufacturers in Vietnam, goes beyond the impressive figure of exporting 5,000 to 7,000 tons of products every month to over 90 countries worldwide. We are a pioneering the enterprise in innovation, leading trends in the international market. At HAPLAST, we don't just manufacture, we shape the future of the plastic packaging industry. HAPLAST is not only a commercial business, but also owns a large-scale production system. Our current production capacity is 3,000 to 4,000 tons per month. And now I would like to show you some products. We also have other products here. There are so many stickers printed on the surface of the bag. Or the loot bags. Like this. Or the bag with a crystal. Or drawstring bags. You can see the string. And the basket bags. We also have a crystal. Okay. Contact me, Anna, via email, WhatsApp, or phone anytime to build a sustainable future together with HAPLAST.